Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Quibec and today I'll be talking about how to differentiate between the fake Supertoner Cottage Fresh and the original Supertoner Cottage Fresh. I would like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. If this is your first time seeing my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much as you do so. Okay, so back to Supertoner Cottage Fresh. Presently, I've been able to identify that there are 3 to 4 different types of Supertoner Cottage Fresh in Nigerian market. 2 are original and 2 are fake. The ones that are original presently is this and this. So how do you spot the difference between the original and the fake? So I'm going to be using the old pack and the new pack as an example. Supertoner Cottage Fresh company, they just launched a new pack. So if you're able to get the new pack in the market, don't be scared. It's still the same Supertoner Cottage Fresh. This is the new pack. You can see they've changed the picture of the lady in front of the pack and they've made some adjustments which I'm going to explain further. Now for the whole pack, this is still the whole pack and this is the lady there. So there's a difference between the new pack and the old pack. The difference is the lady in front of the pack. Okay, so how do you spot the original from the fake? The first thing is using the old pack as an example. There is a particular brand of Cottage Fresh in the market right now. They have the same thing with this. They have the same picture, the same name, everything. The only difference is once you get the original has Cottage Fresh Alata Samina Pure Herbal Soap Supertoner, while the fake has Cottage Fresh Alata Samina Pure Soap Supertoner. There is no herbal. So once you see a Supertoner that has all this but does not have the herbal in front, then it is a fake Supertoner. That is the first thing you will notice. Now, the second thing you notice between a fake and a original Supertoner is the barcode. Original Supertoner has a working barcode. If you scan the barcode, it takes you straight to the company that made this Supertoner. While if you scan the fake one, it will not take you anywhere. Some don't even have the barcode at all. Now, another difference between a fake Supertoner Cottage Fresh and the original Supertoner Cottage Fresh is if you open the Supertoner Cottage Fresh, you see like a nylon on top of it. The original one has this. Now, the fake one, some don't have, some have a very small one. This is very small. It's not as big as this. This covers the whole container. Now, another thing is in the original Supertoner container, there is Cottage Fresh written on it. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it. It is branded on it. Now, for the fake, you find nothing under it. Those ones are the ones they make in Nigeria. Those ones are the ones they make in trade fair. So, but this one is actually made in Ghana. It's a Ghanaian soap and it's a very good soap. It's very, very good. So then another way of knowing if your Supertoner Cottage Fresh is original or fake is there's this brand of Supertoner Cottage Fresh going around now. They wrote Ronic Supertoner Cottage Fresh. They have the same name. The difference is the picture of the girl is different. If I can find the picture, I'm going to be posting the picture right here. So the picture of the lady is different. It has the same name. The difference is it has Ronic on top of it. It has Ronic on top. That particular one doesn't. That one has a small nylon on it. It doesn't have a brand. It doesn't have a brand name under it. So once you get that one, you know that one is made in Nigeria, but this particular one is made in Ghana. I don't know why the owner actually decided to use the same name with this Supertoner Cottage Fresh. Okay, so back to Supertoner Cottage Fresh. For the new brand, the new pack, there are some key factors about this new pack that you have to so that you can be able to identify the new. Funny enough, they just launched this and they are fakes already in the market, and the reason is because this soap is a very good soap. It doesn't whiten you, but it lightens you. You know, works gradually. It's not a bleaching soap, but it's a very good soap. It does a lot of things. So I think that is why the fake is flooding the market like wildfire in Nigeria especially. So there are some key factors you're going to find out about this new pack. Number one is original is written on it. Funny enough, the fake one too has original on it. So, but the barcode is way bigger than the old pack. The barcode of the old pack is small. As you can see, it's very small. It's very small. But the barcode of the new Supertoner is big. If you scan this barcode, you go straight to their company. It leads you straight to their company website. Okay, so another thing is I don't know if this is going to be if this will show at all. Under the names, there is this brand. They branded it with made in Ghana. It's also obvious, but if you see the pack, you see it there. Another point in knowing the difference between a fake Supertoner and the original Supertoner is, like I said earlier, it is branded. There is Cottage Fresh. Even with the whole pack and the new pack, they both have the Cottage Fresh under it. So once you find any Cottage Fresh without the Cottage Fresh name under the container, you know it is fake. Then another thing is the new pack has Cottage Fresh on it. You can see this is for the new pack. The old one doesn't have a pack on it. The new one also has the foil on it, but the foil is branded. You see Cottage Fresh on it. I think they're just trying to avoid you mixing the fake with the new, so they are spending money and branding their product. That is what I feel. So you see the nylon, it is branded. I mean the seal of this one is branded for the new pack. The seal of the whole is not branded, it's just, and the cover also is branded. Cover also is branded, and under it is also branded. I hope with this few points of mine you should be able to differentiate between the original or the fake Supertoner. But if you still have doubts, you can actually send a message to me on WhatsApp. I have the original one for sale.